So in this lesson, I'm going to teach you how to go to a hardware store in English to get a missing part. In this video, we're missing an O-ring, so we need to go pick up that. So let's go do that now. So when you go in a hardware store, they have many different aisles. And in English, an aisle would be like this number. Not I will, like I will go somewhere, but aisle, like A-I-S-L-E is how you spell that. And they have different aisles like 8, 9, and you can count all the different aisles in the hardware store. So let's go find our missing part. So he told me that the customer service representative told me that it was in aisle 13. So I found aisle 13 here, and we're looking for this O-ring part. And we can see there are tons of parts here that we're gonna look for to find the matching part and O-ring. All right, and I've got my kids here, Memorial Day, post-Memorial Day. They've got these cool American flags that they gave out. This particular hardware store is a really cool one. It's called Ace Hardware. They really have great customer service here. So let's find this O-ring. So faucet cartridge, that looks like the one that I might need, but it may not. That's like a different kind of faucet that we're looking for. So let's see what we can find together here. So it looks like this is the specific piece we need. It says faucet repair O-ring assortment. So I'm looking at this and it looks like the right size O-ring is the one that was broken on here. So we're gonna go buy this faucet repair kit and go see if this is what we needed. And hopefully it will work out. But faucet, even though it's spelled with a C, it actually has an S sound for pronunciation. So we don't say, it would say faucet repair. So that's what that's called in English. So if you didn't know that word, now you know the word faucet. Also in hardware stores like this, they have awesome things like a clearance bin, like a tool sale, or you might hear the word clearance bin or sale. Look for that sign in English and you'll see all these cool things and unique tools you might need for whatever you're trying to buy. So that's just a fun perk of coming to an Ace Hardware. So this Ace Hardware was awesome. They were really cool. They gave like free flags to my kids because they had some left over from Memorial Day. Also, they wouldn't allow me to record anybody at the checkout like I did in my other video, you know, where I went how to go shopping. If you check that on the YouTube here, you'll see how to go shopping at another store where the clerk was able to be recorded. Here, they didn't allow me to record the person helping me, but I did get this nice bag, and they asked me, they said, would you like a bag for that? And I said yes, because I ended up having to buy some batteries too. So anyway, that's going shopping at an Ace Hardware store, which you can see right there, Ace Hardware. So now let's go fix that O-ring part. So we went to the store and I ended up getting the O-ring part with the faucet repair kit, and now we're going to fix this O-ring. So let's see what we got here. So as you can see, this O-ring part just completely, I mean, it is like completely snapped off. So what we gotta do is we gotta find the right kind of matching one. So I'm gonna pop this open, which is a phrasal verb, pop open or take out. It's another one that we'll say. And I've got two different kinds here. I've got this kind of fat one that's circular and this other one that has a circle. It's looking like this one might be the one to match. If I close this, the closest one might be this one. It might be a little big, but we're gonna give it a try and see. So I'm gonna push it on here. See if I can slide it all the way down with my fingers. So we'll go ahead and try that. And it looks like this one fits. So we replaced the other one that didn't work and was still leaking, and now we replaced this O-ring, and hopefully this one will be the one that works. So let's go over here and put this back on. Right. Oops. There we go. Turn it all the way. Tighten it. I want to tighten it enough, but not so much that it leaks, but enough that the pressure will come out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open this valve here, alleviate some of the pressure. So when I turn this on, this won't just go everywhere.
It'll come out the other one.
It'll come out this one, blast out there. So here we go. Just going to turn this off slowly and see if this holds. And let's hope it doesn't spit back any leaks. Ooh, so
yes.
far so good. That did it. All right, so that's how you replace an O-ring for a outdoor faucet. And now it seems to be working and not leaking as bad as it was before. It's possible that, I might need to get a little bit smaller size of an O-ring, but either way, it seemed to work just fine for what we need, so we're not wasting a bunch of water. And, as the pressure alleviates when the sprinkler system runs, it will also help. So that's my English lesson for you today. And so that's how we change the faucet with the O-ring. If you want to watch more videos that I have here, go ahead and click like and subscribe. You can also watch how to go shopping in English when I go to the cupboard and teach you how to go shopping inside of a store and actually check out at the counter. So be sure to watch that video to improve your English. That's it for this lesson. I'll see you in a future video.